All right, guys, so I'm about to gift these skates to my niece, and I know she's about to absolutely fall in love with these rainbow unicorn skates from Sulifield. Not only are they super cute and stylish, they're actually 4 sizes adjustable, so they're actually gonna grow with your child. You can actually just adjust the size. Check this out. Let me show you. You take off this part, unstrap this. Look closely. You push this button and pull. Can you tell how that is just got bigger? This is such a cool feature. This means you don't have to keep buying skates every few months. They're also really secure. You see, you got the laces, you got straps, you got this buckle here. So everything locks in really snug, so your little skater is going to be feeling nice and stable and secure. And honestly, they ride super smooth. The reinforced aluminum frame, PU wheels, and the ABEC bearings make the skating feel steady, quiet, and comfortable. Really great for beginners and kids building confidence. I honestly think that these make a great gift. Just because Christmas, birthdays, whatever, skating is something that kids never really get tired of, and it's the activity besides phones they didn't know they needed. They come in this nice box bag for you to store them away, as well as some extra laces and hardware. These skates are comfortable, adjustable, and built to last. And get this, if anything ever goes wrong, the brand is actually going to provide you support and even a replacement if need be. Definitely a fun pick if you want something active, exciting, fun, and stylish for your kiddo.